How to create an application load balancer in AWS Cloud. Learning objective. Learn to create an application load balancer. Learn to configure path-based routing by adding a rule to forward requests to another target group based on URL. Log on to your AWS Management Console and go to EC2 Instances. Click on Launch Instances and create 2 web servers. To learn to create a web server, check out our previous video. Link is provided in the description below. Make sure you create the first web server in Availability Zone 1A and the second web server in Availability Zone 1B. The link to the script is provided in the description box below. Next, similarly, create 2 image servers. Name one image server as Image Server 1 and the other one as Image Server 2. Make sure you create the first image server in Availability Zone 1A and the second image server in Availability Zone 1B. The link to the script is provided in the description box below. Now on the EC2 Service Console side panel, go to Load Balancers under Load Balancing. Click on Create Load Balancer. Select Application Load Balancer. Provide the name as MyALB. Scroll down to Availability Zones and select 1A and 1B. Next, deselect the default security group and select the web server SG, in which the 4 servers have been created. Moving on, in Listeners and Routing, click on Create Target Group and you will be redirected to the Target Groups page. Here, for basic configuration, choose Instances. Let the target group name be My Web Server TG. Keep the rest as default and in health checks, provide the health check path as /index.html. Choose Advanced Health Check Settings and set it as follows: Healthy Threshold, 2. Unhealthy Threshold, 2. Timeout, 3. Interval, 10. Click on Next and select the web servers here to register the targets and then click on Include as pending below. Once this is done, click on Create Target Group. Now your target group is ready. Shift back to your Application Load Balancer page and under Listener and Routing, choose the created target group. Add a tag to your Application Load Balancer and click on Create Load Balancer. Now go back to the target group page and create another target group in the same manner for the image servers this time. Name the target group as My Image Server TG. Mention the health check path as /img/index.html. Go back to Load Balancer, select the MyALB Load Balancer, scroll down and click on the Listeners tab. Click on View/Edit Rules. Click on the plus sign to add a rule. And then click on Insert Rule. Under If, Add Condition, select Path. Provide path as/img/. Under Then, click on Add Action and select Forward to, and select the target group as My Image Server TG. Click on the tick mark. Click on the Save button in top right corner. Now, move back to the Load Balancer page and click on Description. Copy the DNS name, and paste it on another tab. Run the DNS name in the new tab. Refresh the page a few times. You will observe the change in servers, and it is denoted here for you. To check the application load balancing between image servers, run the same DNS name with /img/ at the end. Once you are done with this, delete the application load balancer, the target groups, and all the instances created.
Thank you. If you want to know more about various AWS services and AWS certification courses, reach out to us on the following links.